Hi there, Inter-High students. If you're watching this video, it means that your mock exams are coming up, and this video and the next few videos are all about showing you how to look at assessment objectives that go with each question and to use those to understand specifically what the examiner is asking you to do. So if you see the words AO, and they will be with all the questions and a number, that means there's a particular assessment objective that goes with it. So let's start off by looking at AO4. Okay, AO4 is the assessment objective of asking you to look at what is being said in the source and try to draw a meaning out of it. Just as we do all the time with things that are said to us. We listen to things that are said, and we listen to things we read things that have been written, and we draw meaning from it. We think, well, what is this person trying to say? And this is exactly the same thing. So if the question is asking you what is being inferred, what's being suggested, what impression is the writer trying to give, your job is to look closely at the evidence in the source, so looking line by line specifically at what the person is saying, and in each instance try to think about what you already know about that individual or the situation that's being talked about, and then from that, by placing what is being said within the context of your own knowledge, you can draw out a meaning. So if, for example, we were looking at Adolf Hitler making a speech in 1923, we'd know that it was at the time of around the time of the Munich Putsch, when he tried to seize power. So that would kind of colour what it was he was saying. Okay, so look at what is being said in the source, or if it's a picture, what the picture shows us, and compare that to the context of the times. And if you do those two things, you'll be able to gain an impression of what the person is saying and what is being implied or suggested, and what is being inferred. Okay, so that's AO4. Okay, so we're going to look at AO1, AO2 and AO3 next.